Today marks our 7th day in Vietnam, and we've landed in Da Nang, a city that's left us truly captivated. We already explored 3 vibrant cities during our first week in Vietnam. Our adventure began in Hanoi, where we dove into the bustling streets, continued to the stunning Halong Bay, and soaked in the serene beauty of Ninh Binh countryside. Ninh Binh enchanted us with its natural wonders, including the Hang Mua peak, the scenic Trang An boat tour, and the historic Bai Dinh temple. Arriving in Da Nang, we were awed by its modern charm. Da Nang is often reminiscent of Tokyo, Japan, but also with beautiful beaches, an exciting amusement park, and historic sites all rolled into one. To savor every moment of this lively city, we decided to splurge a little and booked a luxurious 5-star hotel right in the heart of the action so that we can show you everything Da Nang has to offer. Come wander with us as we take you on a whirlwind tour of Da Nang, showcasing its top attractions and must-see experiences. Starting with number 1, beaches. Da Nang is home to some of Vietnam's most stunning beaches, such as Khe Beach. Even in the midst of winter, the sun shines bright and the water welcomes you with its warm embrace. The shallow waters and soft, warm sand create a perfect setting for relaxation. Rent a chair for less than $2 and grab a refreshing drink for less than $1, and you're all set for a day of seaside bliss.
Hey, so we made it to the beach. It's a really nice day, a little bit windy, but the water's warm from what I hear. There was a lady that followed us around, and we have this habit of trying to avoid these people, but it turns out
we can never avoid them.
We can never avoid them. We asked them how much the beach chairs were, and it turns out it's only about 40,000, which is almost $2 US.
Less than $2.
Yeah, so pretty worth it. They have these chairs here. And once we sat down, they told us about some prices. And so the prices are here, just some prices for some drinks and water bottles. So it's really relaxing, and you don't have to spend an arm and a leg in order to get a nice relaxing feel here.
Super open, I guess, because the locals don't really go to the beach here. And it's not really a season for the beach. So the people who live here don't travel here because their kids are actually still in school. They only travel mostly during summer. So it's very empty and it's beautiful.
Yeah, so the kids are having a great time. Oh, I see a little crab. Let's try to find this crab. Alright, sorry, got a little bit distracted there. Saw some crabs peeking out of the holes over here, and now my son's trying to dig it out.
We actually couldn't find any crabs as they were quite stealthy, but we still had a great time digging around, playing in the water and unwinding in our beach chairs. Number 2, Ba Na Hills. Ba Na Hills, located just a 45-minute drive away from Da Nang, is famed for its mesmerizing golden hand. Perched atop the mountains at an astonishing 4,900 feet, the journey to Ba Na Hills via cable car is nothing short of spectacular, offering dramatic views, especially when the weather gets a bit moody. A quick tip: the weather up there can be quite different from what you'll find below, so layer up to be ready for whatever Mother Nature throws at you. As we began exploring the central areas at the top, we couldn't help but admire the range of entertainment options offered indoors. From thrilling carnival rides to bumper cars that brought out our inner child, to a captivating dinosaur museum and free arcade games for the kids, there's something for everyone. If you're keen on shows and meet and greets, Ba Na Hills also has you covered. We waited all day for the clouds to clear so we could witness the iconic golden hand, but nature had other plans. Yet, the cloudy atmosphere added to a mystical vibe to our experience. like stepping into another world. Overall, Bana Hills was fun and quite a unique experience, though remember, the weather can be quite unpredictable, especially in winter. Number 3. Danang Night Market. Welcome to Danang Night Market, also known as the Dragon Night Market. This place is a sensory delight, with an abundance of delectable food, enticing desserts, unique items to shop for, and one-of-a-kind fire-breathing dragon show. We started our evening by indulging in a variety of tasty fried foods like banseo and refreshing avocado smoothies. But the highlight of the night had to be the magnificent fire-breathing dragon. Watching this fiery spectacle is awesome, and it's a great way to draw visitors to this vibrant night market. The dragon changes colors, breathes fire, and even sprays water, leaving the crowd in utter amazement. If you're feeling adventurous, you can head up to the bridge for a closer view. Besides the dragon show, you'll find a plethora of goodies to explore, making it a perfect spot for Christmas shopping or simply treating yourself to some delightful finds. Number 4. Marble Mountain. As we embarked on our journey to Hoi An, we made a strategic stop at Marble Mountain, which bore some resemblance to Hang Mua Cave in Ninh Binh. However, Marble Mountain is more about the caves, offering a different experience from the hike we enjoyed at Hang Mua. You can either take an elevator ride or climb about 100 steps to reach the platform where the elevator awaits. We decided on the latter for a more scenic experience. Hiking up the 100 steps were not too bad, and the kids were just fine doing it. We were able to check out many cool spots along the way, such as the Buddha statue and the pagoda. To our surprise though, this was just the beginning. Marble Mountain is surprisingly vast, with the sprawling complex housing several intriguing caves, ideal for rest and relaxation. Our favorites were the Van Tong Cave, which proved to be deeper than we expected, taking us further and further in. After Van Tong Cave, we hiked further in to explore other caves. At the end, there is a massive cave called Huyen Cave, which left us in awe. Okay, we are at Huyen Cave. It's the largest cave in Da Nang. So it's also inside a mountain called Water Mountain. So it's very wet in here. So it's really, really big with about 3 openings. It's huge in here, but it's dripping wet because water keeps coming in here. But for some reason it's not really moldy, which is quite amazing. But as you walk around, there are water droplets just falling down, and the floor is constantly wet.
Yeah, so watch your step, but it's a pretty cool area. It's the last stop in this cave complex system. And so the Marble Mountain, or the Water Mountain, is actually a lot deeper than we thought, right?
Yeah, so at first we thought it was just one pagoda and one cave, but there are multiple caves in here and multiple pagodas as well. So it's a, you know, if you want to visit everything, it probably takes a few hours. As we were on our way to Hoi An, that's all the time we had at Marble Mountain. But even with that short amount of time, we really enjoyed it. Number 5, Hoi An. Hoi An is a beautiful city about 30 to 45 minutes south of Da Nang. Also known as the City of Lanterns, here you can enjoy a vibrant nightlife with scenic gondola boat tours at night, shopping during the daytime, historical walking tours, and an exciting basket boat ride. It's possible to experience some of these things in a day trip from Da Nang. However, we decided to spend a couple of days here for a more immersive experience, which we'll show you more about in our next video. Apart from these incredible destinations, Da Nang is a paradise for food lovers, offering the best of mee Quảng and seafood. Whether you dine at a local restaurant or explore the night market, be sure to leave room for these mouth-watering delights. And that's a wrap for our time in Da Nang. We hope you found this journey inspiring. If you've enjoyed our adventures, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more upcoming adventures in Hoi An. Until then, see you!